Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Logitech just sent me a care package in the morning and these are the goodies that they have sent me, which I'm going to unbox for you on this channel today. So let's get right into it. So the first product that we have is the Logitech G403 gaming mouse. It has 16.8 million colors, 6 programmable buttons, and it has 2 million clicks. So I mean, it's not going to go bad for a good amount of time. When you open the box, you get some manuals and a box. So, shall we? This is what the mouse looks like. I hope you all, if the camera focuses on the mouse. The build quality is also good. It comes with 6 programmable buttons and it also comes with a braided cable, which is a good addition. You can also adjust the weight of the mouse by the given 10-gram adjustable weight in the box. Next we have the Logitech G440 gaming mouse mat. Let's just tear it apart and open it. Let's see what the mouse mat looks like. The texture on the mouse mat is much better for precision movement, and the blue rubberized surface gives a better grip and does not let your mouse mat slip while using it. Next is the G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard, which has RGB lighting and it can be controlled by the Logitech software. It also has dedicated media control keys, which is a great touch. The build quality is great and it is spill resistant, which is what I really love about this keyboard. Lastly, we have the Logitech G231 Prodigy gaming headphones. They are really lightweight and the ear cups are really very soft and comfortable. They lay flat and the retractable microphone makes them really very portable. Hey guys, if you like this video, then do let me know. We'll surely do more unboxings like these. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, like, share, and I'll catch you all in the next one.